Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine at your home. So, my dear students, I am your science teacher from United Public School. Welcome to my class, Science. So, my dear students, now we will start our new chapter, Motion and Time. So, my dear students, what is mean by motion? So, so, motion is nothing but if an object keeps on changing its position with time, it's said to be moving or motion. So, motion is nothing but if an object keep on changing its position, it will be keep changing its position with time. With the time, it is said to be a moving or motion. So, what is mean by time? Time can be defined as a periods of minutes, hours, days, years, etc. So, motion is nothing but a if an object keeps on changing its position with time, it's said to be moving or motion. So, what is meant by time? Time is nothing but a period of minutes. It can be defined as a periods of minutes, hours, days, years, decades. So, it can be defined as time. So, now we will continue our lesson. So, motion is a common experience in our life. We observe birds flying in air, buses, autos, cars, bullock carts moving on roads. Yes, we are observing all the things in our daily life. What we are observing? Bird flying in air, buses on the road, autos on the road, carts and the bullock carts which will be moving on the roads, trains on the railway tracks. Yes, we are observing trains on the railway tracks and any other objects around us in motion. Apart from observing motion of object around us, we ourselves experience motion. We all are walking. So, my dear students, apart from observing motion of object around us, we ourselves experience motion while we are walking, running, playing, riding a bicycle. So, my dear students, when we are observing the motion means like the object we are walking, we are running, we are playing, we are riding a bicycle, etc. Similarly, we observe many objects like trees, building, display boards, electric boards, etc. are rest while we walk to school. Yes, now my dear students, when we are walking, the trees and the buildings and the electric poles and the boats are what are rest in condition. They also walk with us. No, they are not walk with us. They are rest in condition. Just we are walking. We are in walking. We are riding. We are running. We are playing. We are riding a bicycle. What we are? We are walking. And for examples, the trees are there, buildings are there, boats are there, electric poles are there. When we are walking to school, they are in rest condition. Yes, my dear students, they are in rest condition. So, motion is nothing but movement of our movement. So, we already know if an object keeps on changing its position with time, it's said to be moving or motion. Yes, it's said to be moving or motion. So, rest is nothing but they are not moving, they are standing in a position. They are standing in a correct position. We call as rest. For example, rest trees, buildings, display boards, electric poles, they are also move along with us. No, they are not move along with us. They are standing in a straight position. Yes, that's why we are called this object are in rest position while we are in motion. We are in walking, doing something like this. We are in motion position, whereas in the buildings, electric poles are in what? They are in rest condition, rest position. When we sit inside a moving bus or train, we observe that objects like trees, building, electric poles appear to be moving. For example, my dear students, when we are sitting inside a bus or train, we observe the outside. What we are observing, the object like trees, buildings, electric poles, etc. appears to be moving. But they are moved? No, they are not moved. They are in rest condition. Yes. So, improve your learning. First question, state whether the following statement are true or false. Rewrite the wrong sentence correctly. This is your homework. You have to write this homework and submit in the group. Okay.